Group 52. In the book of Genesis, we read about Joseph, sold into slavery by his siblings. He ends up in Egypt, does time in prison, gets free eventually, and becomes second in command under the king of Egypt. Joseph preserves Egypt through a famine and makes the king filthy rich. You see, Joseph rose to power in a time very, very similar to now. News reports will tell us the grocery shelves are becoming empty. Food is becoming scarce. The stock market is crashing. The economy is uncertain and famine is underway. Joseph was able to maximize his abilities during a famine and make money, because every famine, every economic downturn is simply wealth changing from one hand to another, money moving from one position to another. So, Group 52, I encourage you to do what Joseph did. You see, as times get a little shaky around us, yes, businesses may be closing down, your job may even shut down. But you see, before you became a nurse or you worked at that certain career that you have now, or you might be in the construction field, you had certain skills and abilities before you ever filled out that application. So do what Joseph did. Take a look at the needs around you and the things that will always be needed in your area. Pay attention to what skills and trades and talents you have. Begin to work on them and make sure you maximize them during this economic shift, so that during these bleak times, you come out on top, just like Joseph did. Remember, Group 52, every famine, every economic downturn is simply wealth changing hands from one to another. So make sure the money ends up in your hand. God bless you and have the best week of your life.